This was the first place we went, the Sarap Eatery. This is located at De Las Alas Doctor Road, Batangas. And this was the second place that we went, the Rom Lord, which is located at Caltex Road, San Pascual, Batangas. And this is the last place that we went, the JB's Grills, which is located at Batangas. Sarap Eatery rating. Cleanliness of kitchen and dining area, 2/5. There's a lot of equipment everywhere and not in the proper storage. There is a lot of hanging things and dusty surroundings. Proper storage, food and ingredients, 2/5. The food is exposed without cover and doesn't have any proper storage. Ability of the fire extinguisher, 0. No fire extinguisher. Clearly marked emergency exit, 1/5. In an open area. Staff awareness of safety procedure, 2/5. They don't have used gloves or safety equipment for the food preparation that can cause contamination to food. Use of protection gears like gloves and aprons, 1/5. They are only use apron. Accessibility for people with disability, 2/5. The dining area is wide and customer can move smoothly. Absence of trip and slip hazard, 2/5. There are some broken floor that can cause trip. Clear allergen labeling of the menu, 2/5. No allergen labeling, only the type of food being prepared. Procedure to avoid cross-contamination, 2/5. Employees that not have proper hygiene in preparing the food and the ingredient to expose. So that is the rating of Sarap Eatery.
Room Lord's rating. Cleanliness of kitchen and dining, rating 2. Unorganized equipment, some are scattered everywhere. The dining area has dusty surrounding. Proper storage of food and ingredients, 2. Some are in the proper storage and there's also unexposed food and ingredients. Availability of fire extinguisher, rating 0. No fire extinguisher. Clearly marked emergency exits, 1. No clearly marked emergency exit and has small spaces. Staff awareness of safety procedure, rating 1. They don't wear any proper clothing or even gloves or apron in cooking or preparing the food. Use of protective gear, rating 0. They don't use any safety preparation equipment. Accessibility for people with disabilities, 1. Limited space. Absence of trip, slip hazards, rating 2. They can trip on the chair because of small space in dining area. Clear allergen labeling on the menu, rating 1. No clear allergen labeling on the menu. Procedures to avoid cross-contamination, rating 1. There's a dog running in the kitchen and even in the dining area that can carry bacteria. Scoring and analysis. The average rating is 1.1.
Now I'm going to discuss to you about our ratings in JB Fields. For the category of hygiene, cleanliness of kitchen and dining area, ratings 3 because some equipments are not arranged properly and also there's an open oven beside the open stove. For proper storage of food and ingredients, also 3, because some ingredients doesn't have a proper storage and some has. For fire safety, availability of fire extinguisher. 4, we rate it 4 because they have fire extinguisher. And for clearly marked emergency exit, just 3 because no clear mark of emergency exit pero open yung area nila for in case of emergency or like fires. Then, for staff awareness of safety procedures, we rate it at 4 because staff wear gloves and aprons in cooking procedure. They know about the proper clothing, or they have clothes for sa mga magluluto, and meron din silang clothes para sa magsaserve. Then for the use of proper gears like gloves or apron, we rate them at 4 because they use gloves and aprons, pero they are not wearing hairnet, especially yung mga nagluluto sa loob. And also, there are some server na pumapasok din sa kitchen. For accessibility for people with disability, we rate them a 4 kasi they have an open space na willing or smooth na makakagalaw yung bawat tao kahit na hindi sila nagkakasigian. Then, for the absence of strip, slip, and of hazard, we rate them at 3 out of 5 because trip can happen because of the pathways and some added chairs. They have the pathway, some of the parts of the pathway is broken and it can cause trip. Then, clear allergens labeling on the menu, we rate them 3. The food has a name there, but some informations about the specific food is not added. So, about the procedures to avoid cross-contaminations, we rate them 4 because there are different stuff for food preparations and for food reservations. Then, for the scoring and analysis, the total average is 3.5. So, the risk management grade is good.
Here at Sarap Eatery, they excelled in the dining area. They have a wide space where customer can move well and smoothly. And their food is in a good container so contamination can be avoided, and their food is also delicious. Here at Romlord, they have excelled in the dining area. They have a cozy dining area, and most of all, their food is delicious, especially the hula. They have some designs on their dining area, so it is a good dining place to eat, especially in the evening.
So now for the strength or the highlight areas where the eatery excelled. So based on what we observe, I think the areas where they excelled is the dining area because it has a wide space where everyone or every customer can walk or can go in every area smoothly.
Sarap Eatery, what I suggest is proper cooking and use of personal protective equipment to prevent food contamination. And all above is covering raw food. And if dining area is clean, the kitchen should be clean also, so that more customer can eat. Romlord. What I would suggest here in the Romlord is add more stuff to maintain cleanliness in the kitchen and remove the dog from the kitchen because it can cause contamination, and clean the dirt from the ceiling because it can fall into the food.
So, masasuggest ko lang na practical step para sa eatery to improve risk management ay kailangan, kasi nga, ang kanilang tema ay nature. Then, maraming mga leaves and mga halaman na nasa paligid. There are some cases na maaaring mahulog yung mga halaman or mga dahon mula sa taas and mapunta sa pagkain. At it can cause foodborne or cause contamination sa food. So, for suggest lang na practical step, ay maaari silang maglagay ng barriers sa taas para lang hindi directly mahulog yung mga leaves sa pagkain ng customers nila.
So, in Sarap Eatery, they have a good dining area, but their kitchen, yung kitchen lang nila, yung hindi maayos. Kasi, yung mga yung mga staff nila, nagluluto ng walang apron, walang gloves. So, hindi yun yung tamang pagluluto. So, ang isasuggest ko lang din, so, dapat magkaroon sila ng proper handling dahil maraming taong kumakain sa restaurant nila. So, dapat sundin nila kung ano yung tama. Kung dapat gumamit sila ng gloves and apron, dapat sundin nila. Romlord has a good dining area, but their kitchen is not good. Especially, nandun yung aso nila. So, yung aso na yon dapat wala doon kasi pwede siyang mag-cause ng food contamination. Hindi mo na mamalayan na nadilaan na pala ng aso yung niluluto mo. So, dapat wala yung aso mo doon. Tapos, dapat magkaroon pa ng staff para ma-maintain yung cleanliness. And especially, yung pagluluto, dapat merong taklob. Kasi hinahayaan lang nung nagluluto na walang taklob. Tapos, yung ibang luto na nandun lang tapos wala din taklob. So, dapat magkaroon sila ng disiplina para naman magkaroon ng safety yung kumakain sa kanila.
Or grade, grades namin is good. Kasi the quality and the food, the serving, how the procedure are being made on cooking, all goods naman. So, ang naging lang kasi nila doon is, even though maayos yung kusina, meron ding mga hazard na makikita katulad nga ng katulad ng sinabi ko kanina. Merong open stove na nasa tabi is open stove, tapos ang nasa taas niya is an open oven. It can cause fire.